Welcome back, guys. So let's talk about following and you turning on notifications. So let's look for some big brands that are e-commerce brands as well. So I want to follow some accounts that are related to what I do. So the first one is Jumia. Jumia is an e-commerce website in Africa. It's one of the most popular. So I'm going to use Jumia. So here we have Jumia Nigeria and all that. So you could actually follow Jumia, and when you follow, what you do is to use the follow button. You're going to click the follow button, but there's another thing you can do. If you want to always get notification of the posts posted here on Jumia, you have to turn on the notification, which is called notify. So you see the bell button right here, just like you see it on YouTube. So you're going to click on it and you're going to turn on notification. So this allows you to get notification whenever Jumia posts on their page. You get to see the notification of what they posted. So here we are. These are things Jumia has posted. So we could easily go through them and see what our competitors are posting. So we have other e-commerce websites. We have Temu, but I'm not sure Temu is on Twitter yet. So you could check for Temu. And yeah, Temu is on Twitter actually. So you could check on Temu and you could actually follow Temu as well and turn on the notification. So turning on notification is as simple as that, and it's one of the things you need to know as a Twitter manager. And here we are. So here you could check your followers, and here we have our followers, people that we are following, and you could choose to unfollow. You could choose to unfollow if you want to. Once you unfollow, the bell button automatically disappears. So that means you won't be able to receive notifications anymore. So it's as easy as that. And here we are. So you should learn how to follow and unfollow people. Though I'm going to show you how to automate this actually later in the course, but right now that's how to follow and unfollow people. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.